And now let's see how Marts and Paula will demonstrate tango choreography with teaching count. And quick, quick, slow, quick, 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 quick and quick, slow, 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 quick, quick, quick and quick, slow. Very good. Let's look once again from opposite direction. And quick, quick, slow, quick, 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 quick and quick, slow, 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 quick, quick, quick and quick, slow. And now let's look at same tango choreography, but this time in slow motion. So we take close hold and start with progressive link, achieving promenade position. From here we dance Chasse. This is version with Chasse ending. Now outside swivel, walk in promenade and lady swivel. Now walk in line and swivel for lady. Promenade walk and swivel. Now man takes step diagonally back and we dance natural twist turn from closed position. Notice here lady's heel turn. And we finish in promenade position. Very good. Now let's look once again, and this time we will focus on direction of movement. So we take close hold, man is facing diagonally to wall, and we start with progressive link. We continue diagonally to wall with Chasse. Now we move diagonally to wall, outside swivel to wall, swivel, diagonally to center. Now against line of dance, walk and swivel, diagonally to center, promenade walk and swivel. Now we take step diagonally to center against line of dance and natural twist turn. We finish in promenade position diagonally to center. Let's thank our wonderful demonstrators Marts and Paula. And special thanks to my patrons on Patreon. Because of your love and your support I can continue to produce free dance videos on YouTube and Facebook. Thank you. And today I ask also you to consider joining us on Patreon and have early access to all my new videos and have personal advice from me from Egils Smagris. I hope you enjoyed this video, thanks for watching and see you in the next dance videos.